God. Okay, you got it. You got it. After that other, you've totally got this.
I know, but yet I'm still scared.
I know.
I'm not trying to. Okay.
This is the last hard one, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
Or are you just saying till we get to the next one?
The last one is no hands.
This one is no hands.
Oh God, is it?
Actually not as bad as it sounds because it's a wooden log.
Okay.
Pretty good. You can do it no hands.
I can already feel it starting to tip. I'm like,
No, just sliding forward. Slide your foot forward a bit more. A bit more. There you go. That's good. Now grab the next one, the rope. Pull it back to you.
Yes.
Both hands on the next one.
should I put my both hands on it now, or wait till I put my
usually
foot?
do. Yeah. Up nice and high though. Hold high on the ropes. Yeah. And on the next one. Now step
Oh
forward.
wait, that's,
And
I'm
just do
stuck.
it as do it as one fluid motion. Oh yeah, you gotta get your shoulder.
I'm like, I'm not going to go anywhere if I do that. Ooh.
Then you're gonna do it one big step through. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Now those are the two hardest. Those two.
Are
They
they?
get easier from now on.
Like, oh yeah.
Good job, Karen.